Hello, I'm going to show you how to prepare and install Easyfix DIY Magnetglaze secondary glazing. Magnetglaze consists of a steel strip that sticks to the window frame and a magnetic strip that's stuck directly onto the glazing sheet. This is a simple and cost-effective way of insulating against heat loss and noise intrusion, which can be bought in convenient kits or bulk dispensing packs. We recommend plastic sheet of 2, 3 or 4mm thickness with Magnetglaze rather than glass for safety purposes. Our website tubeway.co.uk has details of sheet and Magnetglaze packs, or you can buy cut to size polycarbonate sheet and Magnetglaze online at secondarydiyglazing.com. Details of all the other Easyfix secondary glazing systems are also on these sites. Firstly, make sure you have about 20mm of mounting area on all sides of the window, as your fitted glazing panel will overlap. Bear in mind that Magnetglaze should not be fitted externally or to the opening part of any window. Measure the height and the width of the recess window, adding 25mm to both of these to get the right size of glazing sheet. Add up the lengths of Magnetglaze required for all sides of all glazing sheets. We're using 2mm plastic sheet in this demonstration, which works well with this product, but 3 or 4mm sheet might be more suitable for larger windows. Make sure you draft proof your window before starting, using Easyfix DIY draft excluders such as DE901 foam strip. Details of these are also on our websites. There are a couple of Magnetglaze add-ons to consider. Magnetglaze Sash kits allow you to make jointed 2mm panels that are thermally sealed, where one panel can be conveniently parked on the other and quickly replaced. There is a separate, detailed video on both websites for this product. Magnetglaze Finishing Trim is a self-adhesive white strip that edges a Magnetglaze panel, covering your view of the magnetic strip as well as the edges of the cut sheet. It can be mitred with scissors and transforms the appearance of standard panels from modest to professional. Get a strong pair of scissors or snips, a pencil, tape measure, then clean and degrease the fixing area with Easyfix surface preparation wipes and open the Magnetglaze pack you've chosen, either the 5mm kit or the 30mm dispensing pack. Measure one side of your sheet and cut this amount of magnetic strip. Cut and stick this to the glazing sheet, then repeat for all sides. Make the corners in particular close and neat. Hold the completed panel up to the window so it overlaps equally on all sides. Make a pencil mark around the glazing sheet onto the window frame. Measure, cut and stick down lengths of steel tape just within the pencil lines. The finished panel should clip neatly into place. If you want to prevent the risk of slippage or support a large frame, you can place a couple of screws at the bottom, sticking out by about 5mm, or you can use a double width of Magnetglaze. Removal of the Magnetglaze panel is easy for ventilation, cleaning or emergency access to the window. That's it. Thanks for watching.